Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can basically change the cover photo of a Pinterest border. So I'm just going to go to my profile here and I am going to select, let's see, this one. I'm going to select this like pencil button. And then as you can see, there's like a board cover section and you're just going to press the plus button and you're going to select the cover you want for it. Let me just find one that I like. Maybe this one. And then once you're done, you're just going to press down. You can also like move it around if it's a little bit too big. And then that's going to be like the main cover for that board. But that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!